Hi, and welcome to Cozy Christmas Watercolor Illustration. This is week 1. I will be going over your supplies, and thank you for joining me, and it's going to be a fun tutorial. Week 1 starts this cozy fireplace. Let's do it. Okay, let's go over the supplies, and throughout this series for our Cozy Christmas Watercolor Illustration Sampler, I'll be using the same supplies, variety of brushes, rounds, a mop, and a flat brush, but mostly I'll probably be using those 3 round brushes there. I will link it in the description. I'm sorry, not link it, but I will let you know what I'm using in the description. Variety of supplies here, 2 water cups, water-based brush pens, and of course a cup of coffee. Get yourself a cup of coffee and enjoy this painting with me. We're going to be focusing on the fireplace today. Warm and cozy, get this sampler started. Those are my Windsor & Newton professional watercolor paints in this little ice cube tray. I added a little bit of white gouache right here, as you can see, like a dollop right there from the tube gouache. The brand is Windsor & Newton. That will help with highlights. Once your watercolor is dry, you can use that for highlighting. I'm using the Master's Touch Fabriano collaboration watercolor paper from Hobby Lobby. I have a 8x10 rectangle drawn out on the paper. It's on my clipboard. I'm all ready to go, so let's get started. Thank you for joining me here, and I hope you have a great holiday season and have fun painting with me. Okay, I'm lightly sketching out the center, our mantelpiece here, our fireplace. And then you will probably need to make sure you have a waterproof, well, you will need a waterproof fine liner in black, because we're going to do some outlining after we do our pencil sketching. Okay, so it's just some basic squares, rectangles. We'll be hanging some stockings here. There'll be greenery around the hearth. I try to map out the area. Well, I did map out the area here in the center. I don't want to go outside this area because there are going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 more items, little vignettes. So go ahead, and if you need to pause this video at any time, do that so you can look at the sketch and get yours on your paper. And some of this will be time-lapse and some of this will be in more real time. As you can see, I don't want to go too hard because make sure you have an eraser just in case you're not happy with your design. You can erase it out and start over. And just follow along the sketching. Okay, my sketch of the fireplace with the stockings, a painting of a Christmas tree, a gift on top, some greenery with berries, and there's going to be some little white lights, a carved mahogany fireplace, and then there's going to be some brickwork right in here. I got to finish that. I'm going to go over with the fine liner in most of the places. Got your roaring fire here. And then I will start the watercolor. It's going to be light and loose. Use your watercolors of choice. I already went over my supplies, so that's just a suggestion. And it's going to be a really cute sampler for your holidays. And you can add it to a gallery wall or put it in a frame, however you want to do this. I will show you what I'm going to do with it when it's all complete. So let's finish up this section here. And it's going to be a beautiful, glowing fireplace. Okay, I'm just going to finish up this brickwork with the pencil. I went and did a little bit of a gray watercoloring in here, as you can see. And now, let's finish this up. And we got a nice start with our black outline. We'll add in our color, and we'll have that complete in no time. And just take your time. Don't rush it. This is just something fun to do for the holidays. Just going to use the pencil for now. If I want to add more detail later, I will, but I think this color looks really nice for this vintagey fireplace brick. Okay. You can paint yours how you would like. I'm going to do it this way for now. These little bricks here. Trying to match them up as best as I can. Okay, that looks kind of cute. I like it. Maybe I'll split this one. I don't know. I don't do much brickwork, so I might redo that in a little bit. But let's get this fire started. Let's do a wet on wet. Get this dampened in here. You come out in here because it's going to have a little glow down on your floor right there. I'm going to go in with a little bit of lemony yellow. Just kind of drop that in. Okay. Start light and build your way up. That's how I like to do all my paintings. Even get your wood, all this area in here, lightly. Maybe a little more yellow. Here's your flames, especially in your flames right here. They're just licking up off that wood. Down here, okay. Now, let that dry just a little bit. So I think I'll start doing a little bit of this mahogany fireplace. the wet on wet. There's all my paints and palettes area. Got it all ready to go. Got this nice warm rusty color. Start with that. We have this little vignette almost complete. We're going to work on our stockings. Here and here, our gift, which is going to be a white gift with a big red bow. We have a Christmas tree all painted in, a golden frame with a white liner. Just a very simple, pretty thing that you might put up on your mantle during the holidays. Artwork on the mantle is always pretty. We have 2 candlesticks, one a little bit shorter, one taller with some nice glow around it. Pause the video at any time so you can study the colors. I was doing time lapse, so you can watch me doing that. You can slow it down or pause it. Let's go ahead and make this pretty red bow. We're going to go ahead and dampen it and do a wet on wet. We also have our greenery with berries, and I'm going to add some white lights using that white gouache, and you'll see how that just makes it pop out for a highlight. Okay, so let's do our bow. Get a little water on there. Go get some red and just drop it in. Drop, drop, drop. Don't go too fussy or crazy. Keep it light. There you go. And you can darken that if you want a little bit. Maybe I'll get it a little bit darker towards the center. Okay. You can feel the glow and warmth of this fire already. I think that turned out really pretty. Thank you for following along, and if you have subscribed, I appreciate it. I notice I have a few new subscribers, so thank you for joining. And if you haven't subscribed, please be sure to do that, because look at how fun this is. I will try to show you techniques on watercolors and crochet. I'm working on a lot of Christmas art right now, so make sure your notification bell is pressed, and you'll know when that next video is ready. Add a little shadowing here under the bow, just with a little bit of light blue. And a little bit around to kind of give it a shadow in the background. Okay, and I'm going to do the stockings in the time lapse, and then this vignette will be finished. Go to the time lapse. Let's add a little bit of this white gouache. Okay, I hope you enjoyed painting this beautiful illustration of the warm, cozy fireplace for our Cozy Christmas Watercolor Illustration sampler. Next, I'll be adding a bear here, bringing home the Christmas tree, and it's either going to be an indulgent peppermint mocha or hot chocolate here, and Christmas cookies, and some festive candy canes. Now, the order might be a little different because I'm still figuring it out, but make sure you have make sure you have subscribed so you'll know when this video is ready. Week 1 is complete, and I hope you learned something today. Drop me a comment and say hi, and I will see you on the next video.